Ziply Fiber full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Ziply Fiber plans and pricing are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now let's get straight into the review. Ziply Fiber is a high-speed internet provider focused on delivering fiber optic connectivity to the northwestern US, covering areas in Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and Montana. It offers symmetrical speeds ranging from 100 Mbps to 10 Gbps, making it one of the fastest residential internet providers available. Unlike many ISPs, Ziply Fiber comes with no data caps, no contracts, and competitive pricing, making it an attractive choice for both casual users and power users. The service is ideal for gamers, streamers, remote workers, and large households that need reliable, high-bandwidth internet. Now let's look at the strengths. Ziply Fiber's biggest advantage is its pure fiber optic network, offering low latency and symmetrical upload-download speeds, which is perfect for activities like 4K streaming, video conferencing, and cloud-based work. No data caps mean you never have to worry about usage limits or throttling. Pricing is also affordable, with some of the lowest rates for gigabit speeds compared to competitors. Additionally, there are no mandatory contracts, allowing users to switch plans or cancel without penalties. However, there are some weaknesses. Availability is limited, as Ziply Fiber only operates in select cities across 4 states. In some areas, DSL is still offered instead of fiber, which means speeds and reliability can vary significantly. Customer service reviews are mixed, with some users reporting delays in installation and technical support issues. Pricing after promotional periods may increase, so it's important to review long-term costs before committing. Overall, Ziply Fiber is one of the best options for high-speed, low-latency fiber internet in the northwestern US, especially for gamers, streamers, and remote workers who need fast and reliable connectivity. If you're in an area covered by Ziply Fiber, it's one of the top choices for future-proof home internet. Check the links in the description for the latest deals, and if this review was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert insights.